I decided to make this video because I couldn't find a good video online, and the one online is not very good, I would say. I tried to follow it, and it's pretty complex to get the rollover controller. That's the one that has an intermittent fault, internal fault, and causing the airbag light. So in order to fix it, you have to remove it, fix it, replace it, and send it back and install it back. You don't have to program it because it doesn't have any programming. It's directly connected to a CSM module. So basically, the function of it, whenever the CSM module sees that the car rolled over, it will send the command, and those poles will stick out to prevent the rear passenger's neck from cracking. Okay, so in order to do that, first remove the back seat. Okay, remove the back seat. It's already here. Remove the back seat, pull this one, just simply pull it like this. Nothing's holding it. Those sides, I'm talking about the two sides. That's what it is, it's holding these pieces. So just pull it out, okay? After that, you're gonna see this. So what I would recommend you to do, in the videos they recommend removing the whole thing and everything. I found it's a bit difficult from this one because the bolts over there, it's not easy to get with regular heads. So I didn't have any options, but I found this method is pretty good one. So take this piece out, it's sitting right here, okay? Take it out. Next thing is you have to take this one out. There's two screws holding T25. You can see it right here. There are two of them. Okay. Then this thing is really strange. You simply have to don't remove the screw. Simply pull it, and it will come out. All right. Then you're gonna see one piston here, one clip here. Remove them both. Okay. And then you can just pry it like this, so you can already see the connector. Okay. You pull the other cover off, and you can see it. You can see there's a screw, one on the top, one on the bottom. T25. Remove the screws, there are only two, and it will come out easily. That's it. Fix it, replace it, put it back in. No programming, no coding necessary. All you need to do is just erase the error codes from the ESCSM module, which is located right here in this area. That's about it. That's how you can get rid of the nasty, annoying airbag light.